Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Codno Astro, and today I'm gonna capture the image of guys. Just too cloudy right now, so I can't make the video of astrophotography, and I don't even know about the wind direction. Hold on, wind direction? So I'm not gonna make the video of astrophotography, but I'm gonna make the video of how to make the weather vanes. So the equipment that you need is a scissor, also a cardboard, a straw, a pencil with the eraser at the back, and finally a pin. So first thing you need to do is to cut out 1 centimeter into the straw. The next thing you need to do is to cut out the triangle shape from the cardboard. And take it out. So the next thing you need to do is to insert this triangle shape into the straw, like so, and make sure that the straw is opening so the air can go in. And then you have to pin it and connect it with the eraser. Move it around for 5 times so that it can smoothly rotate. And now we are done. So you can hold it up like this, or you can put anywhere you want like this. But it has no wind right now, so you know it's just facing where it wants. So what we need to do right now is just to waiting for the winds. Guys, we can see a really beautiful sky right now, and that's Cloud say subscribe. So it's a wind right now, and our weather vane just work really smoothly.